I hate cold pizza. What? I hate it so much.
Here, I'll make it warm.
How are you gonna make it warm?
Just watch, I'll make it warm.
How are you gonna?
Just watch, I'll make it warm.
It's just the lunchbox.
It's not just the lunchbox. Just watch what it does. See? Warm pizza. And it keeps my water cold, too.
How does it do that?
It's the Wonder Box.
Who said that?
Who the hell said that?
No, but here the Wonder Box is here.
The Wonder Box?
Yeah, the Wonder Box.
Yeah, the Wonder Box.
What's a Wonder Box?
Hi, boys and girls. This is the Wonder Box. Not only heats your food, but cools too. As I walk in the lunchroom, everybody stares because I'm waving my Wonder Box in the air. It heats and cools any type of food, but batteries it does not include. So come on, buy one, dude. Batteries it does not include. $19.95 in department stores near you.
No, that was a bell.
We saw the preparation, like, preparation for.
No!
Sam, I can still see.
Now it's nice and what? Athena, come on! Watch.
You suck.
So bad. See?
It's me, the Wonder Box.
Water cold too.
How does it do that?
It's the Wonder Box. It's the Wonder Box.
Who said that?
Who said that?
It's
Athena, you're an amateur.
Hi, boys and girls. It's the Wonder Box.
yeah, the Wonder Box.
You go, Wonder Box.